I'm about to show you how to turn your YouTube videos into shorts, which is one of the best ways to get more out of your content, not to mention the fact you can use this to drive more views to your existing content. We'll talk about how to do that as well. Couple things to know up front, this only works on your own video, so what I'm about to show you does not work on other people's videos. Also, a few people in our audience have reported not having the option. As of now, there are no minimum subscriber requirements or anything like that. Everybody is supposed to have it, but there are a few things to know. It won't work on private and unlisted videos or any videos with third-party copyright claims. And each video on YouTube has the option to disable sampling it. So even if it's your own video, if you've disabled the ability to sample it, you won't be able to sample it either. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to open the YouTube app. And then I want to go and find a video that I want to turn into that YouTube short. So I'm going to click on my profile picture on the lower right down there. Then I'm going to scroll down a little bit and select where it says Your Videos. And then I just want to scroll and find the video that I want to turn into the short. Now, again, we can only do this to our own videos, but once you find the video, tap on it. And then underneath the video, you're going to see this remix button. Tap on that, it'll bring up several options. We want this very first option. This is the one you're looking for. Edit into a short, option available only to you. So I'm gonna tap on that, and it's going to open my video in the Shorts editor. The very next step is to go into the upper right corner, and you'll see that little circle that says 15S. We wanna tap on that and make it 60S, which is for 60 seconds, just so we have a little bit more room to play with, unless you know you're only clipping 15 seconds or less, okay? So we always want to do that. Now, YouTube Shorts, as of today that I'm recording this, we've been able to make 3-minute YouTube Shorts now for a while, but that feature has not made it into this tool quite yet. So in the future, you may be able to make it up to 3 minutes. So once we're in here now, you're basically going to put your finger on the video line down below, see where it's faded out, and you want to find the section of the video that you want to use, okay? And then you want to use your finger to trim to the actual section that you want. So you can move both end of these bars to be exactly where you want. Once you're set, go ahead and hit done to go to the next screen. But I want to show you another cool feature. Right now, this obviously looks like a mess, right? I'm going to click this Layouts tab on the lower left. And what this does is brings up a way to have different sections of the screen. So you can see single, which it's on now by default. Then you have split 1, 2, 3, or square. So I'm going to click split 2. And that basically splits the screen into a top half and a bottom half. And this is really great if you are doing an interview or you have a co-host, or if you are using B-roll or showing something in one side of it. So what I can do now is I can put my fingers on there and pinch to zoom and have my guest show up at the bottom and do the same thing at the top. Lovely look there with my eyes barely open. And so I can go in and I can frame this to fit just like that without having to use any third-party editing apps. I love this feature, okay? Once you've got that the way that you want it, play with it and get it right, then you can hit the continue button. That might take a second to process, so I just want to say really quick, if you're finding this video helpful, I'm so glad. This channel is called Done by Lunch Entrepreneurs. We help online entrepreneurs run their business in half the time so they can be done by lunch or whatever it means for you and move on to other things that bring you joy and purpose. So if you'd like to make more money while working less, feel free to hit subscribe for more videos to help you do that. All right, looks like it's all set. On the right side, you'll see that toolbar. These are the same tools that you'll find in regular YouTube Shorts. So I'm not going to go deep on those here, but I've got a tutorial linked up on the top of the screen as well as in the description of this video if you want to learn more about how all of those work. But I do want to show you a couple of things here that are good to be aware of, okay? One, let's say that you got here and you realized the video was not quite right. Like I actually saw a glitch at the end of my clip. I'm going to click that second tab there, and I can tap on the clip at the bottom here, and then I can trim it up a little bit. So if I didn't quite get the trim right the first time, you can do it here. And the beautiful thing is here, you're not dealing with the full original video that might have been 4 minutes or 20 minutes or anything like that. It's just another chance to trim up the way that you want it there, which is nice. When you're done, hit done a couple times, you'll come back to this screen. Now, the other thing I wanted to show you is you can actually add a recording onto the end of this. Why would you do that? Let me show you. So let's say this is a clip from one of my podcasts, and I'm going to click the back button on the upper left corner. And now you can see I'm here on camera and I could record something. So let's say that clip was about, something really, really good. And then I might add something. So I'm going to hit record and I would say, Hey, if you enjoyed that clip, make sure to subscribe to the full podcast at donebylunchpodcast.com. Or I might say, hey, if you enjoyed that, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos. So it's just an opportunity to add a call to action at the end, whatever makes sense, give some context to the clip, and get people to do something that benefits your channel or your business. So now if I go down to timeline and I scroll through to the end, you can see here's that clip I just added. Maybe I need to trim that up. So again, I can tap on that trim tool on the right side, tap on that second clip at the bottom, and then again, trim it up just to the part that I want to keep. Hit done again, and now I'm gonna hit next. Might take a moment to process, and then it'll bring you to the screen to publish your short. Now, last thing you're gonna wanna know is as you are publishing, because you took this from one of your full YouTube videos, you can scroll down here to where it says related video, tap on that, then scroll and find the video you just pulled the clip from, select it, and now your short will link back to your full video, which could get you some more views. Hey, if that was helpful, let me know by leaving a comment, and I've got lots more videos about growing on YouTube. There's probably one on the screen for you right now, so you can check that out. I'll see you in the next video, all right? Cheers.